to Barney Error. Barney was killed by SpongeBob SquarePants. We enter this. Barney is destroying this terrible. And this is a terrible news. I'm gonna destroy this computer again. Please don't turn it off again. Ding ding. Hey! Please don't turn off your computer now! I'm very mad at you. That was so disgusting! Really? Why? Why? If you turn off again, OMG, how dare you hanging over the hedge? That's it, you're grounded. Hey, why did you do that? Why did you glitch the VHS tape all and over my Barney's head? You're under arrest.
Why did you can? Why did you can? Why? Can't you can never turn off again? I will scare you.